Hello guys, in this video we will talk about an app we used in Shopify to generate almost 8,000% ROI. We will look at two different shops. One of the shops is one of our clients' shop. It's a big shop. He has about 5,000 products on the website, so it probably makes more sense that he has a higher ROI. But even in one of our stores, we managed to use this app to generate over 4,000% ROI. So I will show you how. I will talk a little bit about the app. We will go over the pricing. We will go over how to set it up, and definitely please check out the link in the description. It takes you straight to the app and you can install it. Of course, that's an affiliate link. We get 5% of all the revenue shared. But if this information is helpful to you, then help us out by clicking the link and installing the app from there. Let's have a look. In this store, this app generated over $158,000 with almost 8,000% ROI, $1,972 for 2,408 orders. So let's make a quick calculation. 1,972 divided by 2,408. That's 80 cents per order. And bear in mind, this shop has an average order of $50. That's a very good return on investment. Now, we will look at another store which we manage and we have access to the admin, so you can see. In this store, having less products, average order again about $40 to $45, generated in the last year $52,383 with an ROI of 4,251. So once you install the app, you go to automations. We only have two campaigns running. We have the abandoned cart after 1 hour, which generated about $29,000 in revenue. And we have the abandoned cart after 1 day that generated $37,945. We have a shipping confirmation that you can use. Shopify does this automatically anyway if you set it up. Order delivered, feedback, new subscriber confirmation. Another thing to bear in mind, in the text marketing list, we have 31,722 people that signed up. SMS Marketing is a company by Yotpo. You're probably familiar with that if you're not familiar with SMS Bump already. Very good reviews and a lot of other features that you will discover. If you set it up and if you want to test like sending just a cold text message to all your list, please use a small list in the beginning because we tested that and that was not so successful. So I made this as a short video. I didn't go through all the how-tos, but I'm sure if you're familiar with Shopify or with Shopify apps, you'll be able to do it. You have a lot of information on SMS Bump page, but I want to leave you time so you can focus on your business and increase your revenue. Thank you for watching. Please use the link in the description to sign up for SMS Bump if you haven't already. If you have SMS Bump already installed, make sure you make the most of it. It's not expensive. As you can see, you can get crazy ROIs, and that will definitely impact your business in a good way. If you're in e-commerce and you're not using Shopify already, you might want to check out the other videos. You have a link in the description with a 14-day free trial for Shopify. Don't forget to like the video, click the bell to activate the notifications, share it with your friends, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.